Everyone, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I have a beautiful planner in front of me, which means I'm doing a flip through of my Sugar Cherry Blossom personal wide ring bound planner from Foxy Fix. I'm obsessed with it. This is my baby. I love it, and I thought I'd be upset going back to a smaller size because I was at the B6 rings for a while, but I love this size. I love the leather. It's just beautiful. So I'm gonna share my setup with you. The first thing, like I said, it's the personal wide ring bound planner. The leather is the sugar, so it's super smooth. And then the color of the leather is cherry blossom. I have light pink stitching, so it matches perfectly. And then I have, I believe, E1 elastic, which is the powder pink. I really just like how it matches. And then on the front, I have this little clip from XOXO. I just love this. I love the colors. It's bright, but I think it's also subtle, and I just really think it's really cute. How many times can I say really? But let's get into it. I'm so excited to share with you. I love this setup. It's kind of chunky. There's a lot in it. Well, for me at least. So when you first open it, you can see that I have the pockets. I ended up getting the scalloped like petal pockets, I think that they're called. They are probably the main reason I bought this, along with the color. I'm obsessed with it. So I got the petal or the scalloped pockets, but what I thought this would be like one really big long pocket, but it stops like right here. So, which is totally fine. It was just something I kind of had to play with. But here I just have a piece of laminate, and then I have a vinyl from Calligraphy by Lindsay. This was a vinyl that she did in collaboration with My Newest Addiction. There was like bows and hearts, so I just used the hearts and I tucked that in just to add some decoration and some foil, of course. And then most of this planner is using the Hello Petite paper summer TN kit. I love her. All her TN kits, I'm always all about them. This is like the fourth one I have, and I'm obsessed with it. So here I just have a piece of scalloped lace paper from Michaels. I just cut that down a little bit, and then I have some die cuts. These 3 die cuts are from the TN kit. So I have the bow, the mason jar, and the little makeup brush. So I just have those layered. And then my first dashboard is again from the Hello Petite paper TN kit. I did not laminate these this time. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but this time I just decided not to. But this is the one with the pink, and I mean, you can tell which one it is. So I have this paper from the Hello Petite paper TN kit, and then when you flip over, I have, it's gonna be kind of hard to see from the glare, but I have just the back of that paper. The papers are double-sided, which is really nice. And then I have a journaling card from Rose Colored Days. This came in one of my latest orders, so it's just the month of July with the dates. And then I layered some Simply Gilded washi tape over top just to give it some extra bling, and it's gold. Look, I'm still mixing my foils. Be proud. But this is the 5mm washi, which I love. And then over here I have a piece of acetate, and this acetate is from Madison Fox Plans, and same with the monthly. She offers these in acetate or vellum, so I chose acetate. And this has rose gold foiling, so I use these as my dividers / like section headers. So I have monthly, and then over top I have 2 die cuts from the Hello Petite paper TN kit. I just have those layered with a paper clip from XOXO. I did this just to add some extra-ness, I guess, and make it decorated a little bit more. And then I have a clear polka dot, white polka dotted vellum from Hobby Lobby. I love this. I love how simple it is. And then this was a vellum from the back of a Simply Watercolor Co. vellum. If you guys remember, she had bow vellums when she offered vellums for like Vellum Sunday. So I just cut it and I used the back of it. I just thought that looked really pretty. Plus with this, it kind of like tames the bright purple. So I like that a lot. And then this is my monthly section. So these are the inserts from Jasenia Printables. All my inserts are from her shop. And these are just monthly inserts that she did in collaboration with My Newest Addiction. So they're super cute. I love them. And they have like a nice pink background. And then this paper clip right here over Wednesday is from K&Co XOXO. As you can tell, it matches that little front dangle really, really nicely. So I love that. And I think it's really pretty with all the blues and the teals from the TN kit, from the Hello Petite paper TN kit. And then I have a vellum from Ribbon and Nib. This vellum is from the Be a Mermaid vellum bundle. You will see that I have a lot of those throughout my planner, because when I saw she released these, the first thing I thought was, yes, this will match the TN kit perfectly, and it does. So I'm so happy that I picked these up. So I just trimmed that down and put it in my planner. And then again, I have another paper from the Hello Petite paper TN kit. And then on the back, I have again that Hello Petite paper TN kit. And then I used a journaling card that was included in the kit. It says Off Duty Mermaid. And then I added that same washi tape from Simply Gilded. I like to incorporate the same things throughout the planner just so it ties everything together. I think it's a really nice touch. And then I have again the acetate from Madison Fox Plans. This says pre-plan. Obviously this is my pre-planning section. And then I have a vellum from Ribbon and Nib. This was actually a part of the Amanda vellum bundle. And this was the vellum that had the gold bow on it, and I just cut it down and used the back of it. I think it looks really pretty with the stripes. And she actually offered this as a $2 Tuesday vellum, and I picked that up, and that just arrived today, so I'm really excited for that too. And then these inserts are from, again, Justinian Printables. This was from her self-care bundle. So it just has your weekly, and then a big grid space, and then habits, and then the days of the week. And then I have a paper clip from Lane and Alley Boutique. This is a heart, and it's stunning, and I cannot believe she like made this by hand. Like, it's an amazing quality. I love it. I think it's so darn cute. So I just have that peeking out. And then I have a vellum to close off this section from Ribbon and Nib. Again, this is from the Be a Mermaid vellum bundle. And then I have a clear piece of acetate that I just ordered a pack of acetate from Amazon. I will link it down below. And it says, when in doubt, put a bow on it. And this is a vinyl from Clear Ribbon by Lindsay. She did a collab with tons of different shops, and all the shops had, or like Lindsay, the owner, vinyled, is that correct? Vinyled all their bows, and this is one of the quotes that came with it. And I got it in the shiny gold, which I think is so cute. And then I layered it over a dashboard from the Hello Petite paper TN kit. And then this is the back of the paper. And then again, I have the section header cover from Madison Fox Plans. And I thought it looked really cute over this vellum from Planner Press. This is she called it a dashboard. So it's the dashboard with the little pink bow, and I just thought it looked really cute with the bow and all the makeup and like accessories. So I really like how that turned out. And this is my daily section. So these are my daily inserts from Justinian Printables, and these are the same ones, or from like the same collab she did with My Newest Addiction. So this was, I'll do a little quick flip, I guess. So you have like Monday. So this was from Paper Muse Crafts. This was the week of 4th of July, but this was also my parents' 30th wedding anniversary. So I used this kit, and then I used a 4th of July kit in my planner. And then this was this week, or this is this week. This is from Paper Bow Prints. Her grand opening is Friday. Today is Thursday. So, and then I have a clip from K&Co XOXO. And then this is, I guess, a sneak for next week. This is a kit from Station Stickers. I will be going on vacation, so I just have that beautiful kit. But this is like what a empty week looks like. You have your weekly on the side, and then all your days. And then to close off this section, again, I have another vellum from Ribbon and Nib from the Be a Mermaid collection. And then I have a paper from the Hello Petite paper TN kit. And then on the back, I have a journaling card from Panda Bird Design. She does sell her journaling cards, so you can pick them up, but this just says Summer Loving, and I just trimmed this, and I just used some washi tape to keep it together. And then I have a orders acetate from Madison Fox Plans, and then this is a pink watercolor vellum from Ribbon and Nib. I'm not 100% sure what collection this was from, or if it was from like the back of a like B6 vellum, because I ended up cutting a lot of those down to fit in this planner. And like the header says, these are my online orders. I will block those, but this is also, I'll just show this real quickly. This is a little charm from Fox and Pip. This is the white with rose gold, and I just took a little paper clip that I got as like a freebie or part of a freebie, and I put it there. I just thought it was like a really nice small little clip to add to the charm, so I have that. And this is what it looks like. I love these inserts. It says date, items, shop, sent, and got it. So I usually just put a check if the item came, or if I got it, I don't put the date or anything. And then items, I just kind of put what I got. And then to close off this section, I have the Amanda vellum from Ribbon and Nib, and then I have an acetate again from Amazon, and I added a custom name vinyl from Calligraphy by Lindsay. I think this is stunning, and I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so darn cute. And then again, there is a paper from, or this is a paper from the Hello Petite Paper Tan Kit, and then the back of it. And then I have the Madison Fox Plans acetate that says fitness. So this is my fitness and wellness section. I have a vellum from Planner Press, and I just cut that down. I really like these heels. And this is my fitness section. So I just keep track of my workouts. There's date, workout duration, and then a little bow. I'm not sure what the bow is for, but I don't use the bow, but I keep track of my workouts. And then this paper clip that I used to keep it all together is from Peach Palm. This is just a little palm. It's so cute. There we go. So this is just the gray one. And I just do that to keep them all together. So I just clipped all the fitness ones together. Does that not go? Nope, that doesn't go there. Oh, this one goes here. They all have their little spots. And then this is my meal planning insert, and this vellum is from the Be a Mermaid bundle from Ribbon and Nib. So I have all my meal plans and stuff for vacation, and I'm slowly putting everything together. But this was for a couple weeks ago, and I just kind of slacked at the weekend, because weekends are kind of hard to plan in advance sometimes. So, but I love this. I'm so happy she finally came out with this. So you have your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then like your Monday to Sunday. And then you have your meal planner like list that you can use for groceries, which is really, really nice. So I, instead of using like another dashboard, I just used a vellum, because this is kind of all fitness and wellness. So, and then to close off this section, again, I have a vellum from Ribbon and Nib, the Be a Mermaid. I told you, they matched perfectly. And then I have a dashboard from Hello Petite Paper. And then this is a dashboard from the self-care bundle that the Planner Sophisticate or Jasenia Printables on Etsy came out with. So it says coffee first, play with my planner, spend time getting ready, invest in people who get me, organize my thoughts, pamper myself, go outside, take a nap, listen to music. And I just love that. And then I have a miscellaneous acetate, and I thought I would get this just because sometimes I change it out. And so this can be anything just because it says miscellaneous. And then I have a bow vellum from Ribbon and Nib. I love that vellum. These are her hand-drawn bows, and I just love how dainty and delicate they are. And then this is my self-care section, which I have not started to use, which I really should. But you have morning, and then you have, so like maybe like 4 habits you want to do in the morning, 4 habits you want to do in the afternoon, evening, and bedtime. Then you have like a weekly tracker down here, and then acts of self-care, your meals, your reflection, which I really like. I want to start doing this. And then I also have 1 line a day. I want to put 1 memory or 1 grateful thing that happened. So it's like a perpetual calendar kind of. So that's awesome. I love that. And then just some grid paper at the back, which is really nice. And in between these, do I have a piece of vellum? Yeah, I was like, I knew I had something. This vellum is from Ribbon and Nib. the Be a Mermaid collection. And then this vellum is from Ribbon and Nib again. You guys know I love her shop. This is from the Amanda bundle. And then this last paper is from Hello Petite Paper, the TN kit, and I just have that. So I like how it's the same front and back, because it closes the book. And then back here, I don't really use it to decorate. I use it more as like functional. So I don't have anything in the pockets, but here I have a sticker pocket from Ribbon and Nib. Especially going on vacation, I pulled tons of stickers that I want to bring. This is just a couple of the functional stickers, like just the hollow stickers that I want to bring, because I'm using hollow this week in my daily inserts. So I just have that tucked in here, and then put the stickers in here, which is awesome. I love having this sticker pocket. And then for my weekly kits, I use this back pocket, which is really nice. I really like this. This is like the kit from Paper Bow Prints. So I have the kit tucked in on this side, just so, because it doesn't really fit in the sticker pocket. And then I have my monthly stickers from My Newest Addiction. These are her monthly basics. I've been loving these. They're just so simple, but so beautiful. So I have that on the other side. So that is my planner setup for the moment, probably for the rest of summer. So I hope you guys enjoyed that and got a little bit of inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at My Life Stuck on Paper, and I will see you girls soon. Bye.